Hi, welcome to Mirabel Technologies. This is a quick short video on helping the new export to InDesign setup. So first we have InDesign opened here, and I just wanted to show this is what it's going to look like when it's done. And you're going to have a new button in here that's going to say DS Import Tool, and here we can import XML files directly. Now let's go through the steps on how to actually get that set up. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize that, and I have Digital Studio open. So once you're in your Digital Studio flat plan, in order to complete the initial setup, come up to Tools and you're going to see Export to InDesign. So we're going to go ahead and export this file here. And in the file down here, it's going to load. And it doesn't matter if you're on a PC or on a Mac. It will load in your file. Once it's downloaded, you do need to show it in the folder. And then you need to extract it as it is a zip file. So I'm going to go ahead and simply extract that here. So now here's my files. The one file you're going to need is this one here, XML import JSX. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this one here. Let me go ahead and select it and copy it. So copy it. We also have a help document right here. You can simply double click on that and that will open up, and it has help instructions on how to actually install this. But that's what I'm showing you right now. So let's go ahead and move back into InDesign. So I have InDesign open here. Once you're in InDesign, we can go to Windows, and I should just say here I am on the Windows Cloud. I mean on the Adobe Cloud. So this is where you will find it. Go on to Windows, you click Utilities, and click Scripts. Or you can use the shortcut here, Control Alt and F11. Once we click that, you need to right-click on an application and reveal in Explorer or in Finder if you're on a Mac. Once we do that, we do need to select the startup script. So select the startup script, and then here you'll see I already have this file in here. But if you don't, simply go ahead and just paste it in here. And then now it's going to say, do I want to replace it? I don't need to. But that's how we do the install. Now once that's done, now you do need to close InDesign. Simply close it down, and then just go back into your computer, restart InDesign, and then once it's restarted, you're going to see that now you're going to have the option in here, as I just showed you, Digital Studio Import Tool. So let's go ahead and actually grab that file we just exported. So we're going to go ahead and click Import XML, and then here is the file. Let's go to Documents, Downloads. Here's my InDesign file we just did. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and it will actually open up my files. So this opens up here, and we have page 1. It's going to load. Okay, so here we actually have the pages starting from the bottom. Let's go to the top here. Page 1, page 2, page 3. So all the templates are basically in here. You can see who the client is, etc. If I quickly compare, if I quickly compare this to the actual layout, we have page 2 is here, page 3, page 4. So let's go back over here so we can review that. This is page 4. If I go back up here, editor's note, this is page 3. This should be a half page, and so on. So you can see all the templates are actually imported here. So that's it for the setup. Thank you so much.